Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with an update related to the LayerEdge Airdrop. Many users are confused and worried about their new task. So what's actually going on and what do we need to do? I'm going to explain everything step by step in simple terms. You need to complete the task for proof of humanity. As you can see here in the LayerEdge dashboard, in the POH section, you need to click here. Then you need to connect your wallet. Here I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. So the wallet is connected now. As you can see in red, it says you haven't completed the proof of humanity. To complete the task, you need to click here. You can scan this QR code to install it on your mobile, but here I'll show you how to do it on a PC. As you can see, I'm already logged in by Binance account. Now you need to download this extension. So let's download and install the extension. After that, you can click verify and it will show a pop-up in the next tab with your Binance account. So you need to click start. It may show an error and it takes a lot of time. I tried several times and got an error. But here's my tip. If you use a VPN, it connects instantly. After I connected to the VPN, it connected successfully. As you can see. Now click verify now. And it's done. As you can see, the proof of humanity is completed. Here you can see some additional tasks available that you can complete, but these are optional, so you can skip them. For more airdrop and crypto updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So that's the quick update about the LayerEdge airdrop. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.